What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? It is day number 3 here at TGD Wraps. I am super excited to finally, possibly, maybe, I'm looking at Jason, get this car delivered today. If not today, most likely 100% tomorrow. I know you guys have been waiting. The wait is long enough. However, today, I did get my other memory card yesterday, so we will be doing some 4K 120 FPS montage. It is going to be so icy, so please watch that. Give me your opinion. Let's get into the video today. Jason cracked out the hood and the A to C pillar last night after I left. I'm not going to show you guys the hood yet. You're going to have to wait. Check it in the montage in a minute. But as always, guys, thank you so much for the support. Thanks for the 1,400 subscribers. If you didn't hear it in the last video, thank you, thank you, thank you. And you can do me a favor today by going to tgdwraps.com. Yes, that's tgdwraps.com. And if there's a notes section, just mention this video, mention the channel. Say, hey, I know Matt, I might be a friend of his, and let him know that you came from one of these videos and maybe he can look out for y'all. But as always, sit tight. What's up, guys? Sorry for the long in-between session, but he just got the hatch lid done. And one thing that I did, which I probably shouldn't have done, I wanted to save a little bit of money during this process, was I wanted to grab a new emblem for the rear trunk. A little black emblem, make this color really pop. This is the one from Amazon. You would think it's in spec, but it's not. This like little recess that you see on it, if it'll focus, is causing real issues and won't go in. So, buy premium, don't buy from Amazon. So what we're having to do is, Jason's removing the sticky tape right now, but we just unstuck, or took the sticker from the old BMW logo and stuck it on top of the new one. All the way around. Took the new sticker and put it on top of the old BMW logo, and then we're gonna put that on there, and it's gonna look real nice. Also, I have to plug this. You're not gonna believe this, but Jason was like, yo, smell my finger. But essentially, he was like, yo, smell this. And I was like, what? And he held up to my nose. No kidding, guys. It is a bubblegum scented squeegee. He got it in like a sample pack of like things to try, and it's pretty strong. I guess like when you smell alcohol and like...
It's old too. I think it's probably about a year old and it still smells like bubblegum.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. You smell alcohol all day, like wiping cars down and prepping them, and then you got there's like this burst of like flavor in your nose. That's so funny. Guys, this rear hatch looks insane now. We had a small problem with the rivets that hold on the bracket for the license plate. O'Reilly's or whatever he called didn't have them. We 3M'd it back on like it was originally supposed to be done and used 2 of them because we lost the other 2. I think wrapping it in black on this color turned out to be really good. Check it out. So we're up here in the Beats laboratory where it all goes down. Jason didn't have enough forged carbon on the older roll that he had for a previous customer, so we literally made our own. The same, if not better. So this is house-made forged carbon. So if you want some forged carbon wrap for your vehicle, you know what I'm gonna say, tgdwraps.com, email them, get yourself a slice. The car is just about complete. I would say it's in the ballpark of like 85 to 90% done. Jason has somewhere to be today, so I don't want to pressure him in rushing the job. I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and especially if you watched it till the end, drop a comment if you did. And as always, guys, don't forget to like this video. Please comment something, subscribe if you haven't, flick the bell on, and please drive safe, be safe. See y'all in the next one. Peace.